Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about dialogue writing. So friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates from our channel. Dialogue writing in standard 9th and 10th activity sheet, you will find a question number 5th B, dialogue writing for 5 marks. So let us learn what is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing means it is a conversation between two people about any topic or a verbal exchange between two speakers about any subject. Let us learn the purpose of dialogue writing. The main purpose of dialogue writing is to make students able to complete any conversation with grammatical correctness and draw a meaningful conversation. It will help to develop your communication skills. Now let us see the chart on the screen. Kinds of dialogue writing question types and marking scheme. There are 3 main types of questions. First A. Prepare dialogues from the jumbled sentences. It carries 1 mark. B. Complete the dialogue. It carries 1 mark. C. Write a dialogue on the given theme. It carries 3 marks. Total 5 marks for that question. Now we will learn the format of the question dialogue writing. Question number 5 B1 dialogue writing. A. Put the sentences in proper order to prepare a meaningful dialogue for 1 mark. B. Complete the dialogue with the help of given questions for 1 mark. C. Write a dialogue of minimum 3 exchanges on the given theme for 3 marks. Now learn how to attempt this question. See the points given on the screen and copy the points in your notebook. First, study all the chit-chat activities from the course book from standard 9th and 10th. Use the proper punctuation marks. Third, use proper tense forms as per the questions. Fourth, write meaningful sentences, means subject-verb agreement. Fifth, practice to form WH questions and verbal questions. Sixth, use proper sentence types. And last, use proper contractions or contracted forms. If you study chit-chat and warming up activities from the course book, you will get good marks in this question type. Let us learn the format / structure of the question type. Question number 5B, dialogue writing. You will find 3 sub-questions in this question. The first sub-question is as follows. A. Put the sentences in proper order to prepare a meaningful dialogues for 1 mark. See the example on the screen. With the help of example, we can learn the first question type. Sentence 1. I don't believe such stupid things. Sentence 2. Because they are baseless. Sentence 3. Do you believe in rumors? Sentence 4. Why don't you believe it? Students, here you will get 4 sentences in jumbled order. You have to write these sentences in meaningful order so that a meaningful dialogue will complete. Let us see an example of the question. Answer 1. Do you believe in rumors? Second sentence. I don't believe such stupid things. Third sentence. Why don't you believe it? Because they are baseless. Students, here you have learned that these sentences are given in jumbled order and you have to write all these sentences in proper order so that meaningful dialogue will complete. This activity is based on chit-chat activity of the course book. You have to arrange these sentences in serial / correct order to make a meaningful dialogue. For that you will get 1 mark. Now let us look at the second sub-question type. B. Complete the dialogue for 1 mark. It also depends on warming up and chit-chat activities from the course book. Here you will get 2 questions from the chit-chat activities. you have to write correct answers. Let us see the example of the question type B. A. What types of books do you like to read? B. Answer is incomplete. A. Why do you read these books? B. Answer is incomplete. Here students, you have to write the correct answers of these questions. See the answers on the screen. What type of books do you like to read? B. I like to read historical books. A said, why do you like to read these books? B answered, they give me good knowledge of our past and tell us how glorious history was. In this activity, 2 questions based on chit-chat activities from the course book will be given. Here, you have to write correct answers of the given questions in order to form a meaningful dialogue. This activity carries 1 mark. Now, we will learn the third sub-question from dialogue writing. C. Write a dialogue on the given theme for 3 marks. See the example on the screen. Write a dialogue of minimum 3 meaningful exchanges on the importance of reading. Minimum 3 meaningful exchanges. The importance of reading. See the example on the screen. Sita said, I feel bored and sleepy whenever I read. What can I do? Geeta answered, once you try to understand benefits of it, you will never feel so. Sita said, why? Do you think should we read? Geeta answered, it provides us information and knowledge, improves our speaking skills, enriches our collection of words, it gives us pleasure and fun, so we should read more and more. Sita said, oh really? I thought we should read only for getting good marks in the examination. Geeta said, besides it, reading develops our mind and imagination. It helps us to discover new things. Sita said, thanks a lot. Here in this activity, you will be given a theme based on chit-chat activities from the course book. You have to develop a meaningful dialogue between 2 persons. Remember that your dialogue must consist of minimum 3 meaningful exchanges. This activity carries 3 marks. Remember the points given on the screen to write a good dialogue. At first, you should think about topic of the conversation. Second, imagine yourself as both the characters. Third, arrange your ideas in a logical order. And fourth, use simple language so that your dialogue will be a good dialogue.